Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send disappearing messages on Viber. Maybe you want to send messages that automatically disappear after a certain period of time for added privacy. So today I'm going to show you how to send disappearing messages on Viber. Check video description and I will try to read the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this screen, select the chat or group that you want to send the disappearing messages. For example, I want to open this conversation. Simply tap on it. In this chat page, type your message in this text input field. For example, I will type in hello. Before sending it, tap on the small clock icon below to enable disappearing messages. Below, choose your desired duration for your disappearing message. For example, I will choose 1 hour. After selecting the duration, simply tap on the send button to send the disappearing message. The message will be visible for the specified period and then automatically disappear. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send disappearing messages on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send disappearing messages on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.